Generative AI is all about the creation of fresh and unique data or content through artificial intelligence. Generative AI models, in contrast to their traditional counterparts, eschew the reliance on extensive datasets and algorithms for classification or prediction. Instead, these models are crafted to grasp the fundamental patterns and structure of the data, enabling them to produce fresh and imaginative outputs that closely resemble human creativity. ChatGPT has gained significant recognition, but the realm of this field extends beyond just text generation, encompassing a wide range of applications such as creating images and videos, generating speech, composing music, and enhancing virtual reality experiences. Let's dive into the fascinating world of Professor Mirella Lapata's perspectives on this dynamic and ever-changing field, as this video is going to explore her thoughts about generative AI, its applications, and future. Mirella Lapata holds the position of Professor of Natural Language Processing in the esteemed School of Informatics at the University of Edinburgh. Her research delves into the realm of enabling computers to comprehend, analyze, and produce language that mimics human expression. She has been honored with the prestigious British Computer Society and Information Retrieval Specialist Group Karen Spark Jones Award. Additionally, she is a distinguished Fellow of the Royal Society of Edinburgh, the ACL, and Academia Europaea. Mirella Lapata takes readers on a captivating journey through the history, current state, and potential future of artificial intelligence, with a particular emphasis on generative AI. During this captivating lecture, Lapata explores the concept of generative AI and its incredible potential to produce original content. She also discusses the diverse range of fields where this technology can be applied, with a particular focus on language processing. During the lecture, Lapata skillfully explores the development of generative AI, emphasizing its important role in advancing technology and its potential impact on the future. Through a captivating exploration of the field's history and remarkable advancements, Lapata provides valuable insights into the profound impact of generative AI. Generative AI is a fascinating form of artificial intelligence that has the ability to produce fresh and original content across various mediums, including text, images, audio, code, and video. By harnessing the power of existing data, it has the ability to learn patterns and create fresh, one-of-a-kind outputs. Generative AI has rapidly transformed numerous industries such as art, design, and entertainment, despite being a relatively nascent field. Generative AI models, in contrast to their traditional counterparts, do not depend solely on vast datasets and algorithms for classification or prediction. Instead, they are crafted to grasp the fundamental patterns and structure of the data, enabling them to produce unique outputs that closely resemble human creativity. ChatGPT has gained significant recognition, but the domain of narrative style extends beyond just text generation, encompassing a wide range of applications. Generative AI has a wide range of applications, including the synthesis of images and videos, the generation of speed, the composition of music, and the creation of virtual reality experiences. Implementing generative AI can be done in various ways, but one of the most prevalent methods involves utilizing a neural network. A neural network is a fascinating machine learning algorithm that draws inspiration from the intricate workings of the human brain. Neural networks have the remarkable ability to grasp intricate patterns from data and subsequently utilize these patterns to produce fresh outputs. One of the most popular forms of generative AI involves the use of a generative adversarial network. This network consists of two competing networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator's role is to generate fresh data, while the discriminator's role is to distinguish between genuine and fabricated data. As the training progresses, the two networks work in tandem, with the generator owning its skills in generating synthetic data that closely resembles the real deal. Generative AI has a vast area of uses, spanning across art and design, entertainment, and science and engineering. Generative AI has the remarkable ability to bring forth fresh creations in the realms of art, encompassing paintings, sculptures, and music. Additionally, it has the potential to inspire the creation of fresh products, including clothing, furniture, and cars. Generative AI has the incredible ability to bring forth fresh and captivating forms of entertainment. It has the power to give birth to immersive video games, mesmerizing movies, and enchanting music. Additionally, it has the ability to tailor entertainment experiences to suit the preferences of each user. Generative AI has the potential to tackle intricate challenges in the fields of science and engineering. Take, for instance, its application in designing new drugs, developing new materials, and creating algorithms that are new. The field of generative AI is experiencing rapid growth and is poised to have a significant impact on our lives in the future. With the continuous improvement of of generative AI models, the realm of content creation is set to witness a remarkable transformation. The future holds the promise of even more realistic and imaginative creations. Expect a plethora of groundbreaking applications for generative AI across various industries. In the coming years, the generative AI market in Southeast Asia is poised for substantial growth. This growth can be attributed to various factors, including the increasing adoption of AI technologies, the growing demand for personalized experiences, advancements in technology, and the utilization of AI in areas such as content creation, product development, customer services, fraud detection, and drug discovery. AI technologies are being embraced by businesses throughout Southeast Asia as they strive to enhance their operations and stay ahead of the competition. It is anticipated that this pattern will persist, leading to an increased need for generative AI solutions. Businesses are witnessing a growing trend in Southeast Asia where consumers are seeking more personalized experiences. With the help of generative AI, businesses can cater to the growing demand of creating personalized content, products, and services. The advancements in generative AI technologies are happening at a remarkable pace, resulting in increased capabilities and flexibility. By making generative AI solutions more accessible, businesses of all sizes are able to take advantage of these innovative tools, which in turn drives market growth. Generative AI has the remarkable ability to produce a wide range of content, encompassing text, images, videos, and music. It has a wide range of applications, including marketing, education, and entertainment. With the power of generative AI, the possibilities for designing innovative products and services are endless. By adopting a narrative style, businesses can foster innovation and develop customer-centric products. By utilizing generative AI, customer service can be enhanced through the implementation of chatbots and virtual assistants. These intelligent systems are capable of addressing customer inquiries and offering assistance. Generative AI has the remarkable ability to identify and uncover instances of deceitful behavior, including fabricated insurance claims and fraudulent credit card activity. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of drug discovery by swiftly identifying promising new drug candidates. Nevertheless, the landscape of the generative AI market in Southeast Asia presents numerous challenges. Generative AI remains largely undiscovered by many businesses in Southeast Asia. Adopting these technologies can pose a challenge for them, and using generative AI raises concerns regarding privacy implications, as these technologies typically necessitate access to substantial amounts of personal data. In the realm of generative AI, skilled labor is in short supply. It can be quite a challenge for businesses to locate the necessary talent for the development and implementation of generative AI solutions. In the face of these obstacles, the generative AI market in Southeast Asia is poised for substantial growth in the upcoming years. Businesses that can overcome these challenges and successfully implement generative AI solutions will be in a strong position for future success. Lapata thoroughly examines the advantages and potential drawbacks of generative AI in her conclusion. She emphasizes the immense possibilities for positive effects, including heightened creativity and improved efficiency across different domains. Take, for example, how generative AI has the potential to completely transform the entertainment industry. It has the ability to produce captivating content and provide users with truly immersive experiences. Nevertheless, Lapata also recognizes the presence of adverse effects associated with generative AI. She presents vivid illustrations of how misinformation can swiftly propagate, causing bewilderment and harm. In addition, she expresses worries about the possible biases present in AI systems, which can contribute to the continuation of discrimination and inequality. Highlighting the significance of tackling these risks, Lapata underscores the need for implementing robust regulation and oversight. She emphasizes the importance of addressing the risks associated with AI, highlighting that it is a collective responsibility shared by policymakers, researchers, and technology companies. Through this approach, society can tap into the revolutionary capabilities of generative AI while mitigating any potential negative consequences.